Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Slick, making a video. Question that I get asked a lot is, how does the drone in the Charger? I don't have no drone. The cool thing about it is Corsa, that's what they're known for, 100%. That's what they worked on, is to not have no drone. So every time you get their exhaust system, that's what they guarantee. And I've had the exhaust system for about 3 years now, because I've had the car for about 3. And yeah, there's no drone at all. I'll show you guys now. The car's loud as shit. I deleted the cats. So it's the Corsa Xtreme, so it's their loudest system that they have. And yeah, I'll show you guys with me driving. You can hear me perfectly fine talking, and that's what I love about it. I love how you could cruise around, have your kid in the car, like I have my kid, have your kid in the car, have your girl in the car, whatever you want. You guys could be having a conversation and it'd be quiet, but on the outside, it's loud as shit. So that's the thing I like about Corsa. Really good quality, lifetime warranty. Yeah, I couldn't be any happier, to be honest. So I'll do a startup, let you guys hear it, so you guys believe me that cruising around in the car, for being how loud it is on the outside, it's a night and day difference. So let's leave. I'll show you guys what it sounds like. Open up my garage. So, over the garage. Let me turn the camera real quick. So, you heard what it sounds like on the outside. This is the inside. I don't know. I'm not even talking loud. I'm talking pretty quiet, to be honest. And my normal voice. But you could hear the car. But is it loud? Not really. If I had a passenger right now, we could have a simple conversation. Would he even phase it with how loud the car is? And you guys just heard how loud it was. Shit hurt my ears, to be honest, but I love it. Especially when I step on it, it screams. I did have headers on it, but I did take them off, and there's a video that I have about that. But honestly, I feel like it's louder without the headers. The headers, I feel like, gave it a deep tone. For some reason, it was just more of a growl. It was more angry. But I took off the headers, put the stock headers back on, and I feel like it screams. Instead of being so deep and I don't know, like a bear, you know, or when a lion wakes up from the zoo and you hear them roar, their yawning roar, it's just very deep sound to them. That's how I feel like. Oh dang, this cop's pulling over this car right now. Good thing it's not me, because I have way too many tickets. But the stock headers give it more of a screaming noise it's a very high pitched noise. So I think it sounds good. The headers, if you wanted the power and that deep tone to it, go right ahead and get the headers. I just like how this screams in the higher RPMs. That's the thing I like about it. but the headers were a lot louder on a cold start or just starting the car. Like in general, it just gave it a really loud bang. It would give it a really loud bang, but honestly, sorry, people were honking. I was trying to see what they were honking at. So the startup without the headers, with the stock headers, is not as loud, but you guys just heard it. It still is freaking loud. With aftermarket headers, a lot louder, but a deeper tone. But yeah, see, I'm cruising around, having some conversation, no drone, no none of that. And that's the thing I like about it. I don't have, my ears ain't hurting. The only thing that sucks about this is me deleting the cats, just to have it. I mean, deleting the cats, this exhaust system is a lot louder. But stepping on the car smelling like fumes. So I'll make another video about that. Give me some more content. I haven't done anything to the car. We're still on lockdown. It sucks. Like, if you think about it, we're already 9 months deep in this shit, and the world still ain't normal. It's still crazy as hell. But we ain't gonna get all into that because we ain't here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the drone, and there's none. I'll try to get on the car, try to give it some gas, nothing crazy, just because there was a cop that was turning my way at the light, so I don't want to do it, and then I'm the one that gets pulled over for making a video. I'm not trying to do nothing crazy, I'm not trying to race nobody, I'm just out here trying to get some views. Oh look, one of the guys from work, or a girl, I don't know if that's a guy or a girl, I don't know. Let's see, I can't tell if they're still behind or not. I think they're turning, yeah. So I'll give it a little hit so you guys can hear what it sounds like on the inside. So I'm in third gear. RPM's at 35. It's not bad. I still could hear my surroundings, I guess you could say. But if I had a passenger in the car and I was doing that hit that I just did, I would still be able to hear them talk. You know, there's those race cars where you do a hit and you can't hear nothing. You just, I mean, holy shit. But that's the thing I like about the Corsa. So if I was you guys, I would get it. Use discount code SLK33. Depending on, I'm not sure how much. I always get the question of how much is it off and all that. I don't know until you go to checkout and you put in the promo code, and you know, you put it in. And I've heard it's ranged between a couple $100 to $20. Like, it just depends on how much you're buying. That's pretty much how it is with anything, you know. When you buy a lot more, you get a lot more of a discount. Makes sense. But yeah, guys, for the best sounding exhaust system with no drone, Corsa is the way to go. If you straight pipe it, like I straight piped this first before I even did this, I just deleted like the mufflers, deleted my cats. I mean, it was loud as shit. It was as loud as my car is now, but it was raspy, and I didn't like the raspiness. And the cool thing about, I mean, I think it does it like with the straight pipes. I'm not 100% sure, but with this, it backfires and makes pops and noises when it's shifting down or coming to a stop, especially in sport mode. I freaking love that. I like when it's just pop, pop, pop. But straight pipe, since I have had it, even had it on my other charger that I had before this, I recommend the Corsa all day, just because I could talk and cruise around, and I'm not hurting my ears. I'm not having to have my daughter wear like her headphones while she listens to her tablet because the car's so loud and she can't hear. It's perfectly fine. So yeah, guys, hope you guys liked the video. 300ZX, that was pretty nice. I'm a JDM guy, to be honest, guys. Sorry, but I love all cars. So thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I'll try to produce more content. It's just hard when there's not really much going on, to be honest. I'm really not trying to keep this car forever. It's actually up for sale right now. Everything's done to it possible, besides motor work. All I have is intake and exhaust, as in motor wise, and I have a tune, but you know, airbags, 3-piece wheels, wrap, stars in the roof, headlights that change 3 million different colors. It's actually 200, it's not 3 million, I'm over exaggerating that. Carbon fiber steering wheel, which I freaking love. It's probably like, I don't know, between the airbags, the Corsa, and the steering wheel, and this, actually like cruising around. Like, it's just a good vibe, like at night. Yeah, I don't know, the steering wheel, I fucking love it. But all right, guys, take it easy. Slick Scats out. Stay safe. Peace.